In this video, we're taking old wood from the garage and turning it into birdhouses. Me and Rowan learned a lot on this one. Check it out. All right, first things first. I'm gonna move this wood, get it over here closer to the house. Get little ones, bring them with me. Come on.
This is gonna be an awesome video. Watch this. Let's go! Oh, gotta be Daddy. We're almost done. Daddy, when you're helping me,
Yeah?
I win.
That's right.
Daddy, I win.
Get this mess of a garage cleaned up a little bit enough to where we can build a birdhouse. That'll do. Now, let's get busy.
Yes. So we're gonna cut right here so that because all the stir stuff is right here. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut this side because that more stuff, right?
Correct. Woo! Hold it right there. 12 inches is 1 F. You know what that F means?
No.
Foot. So 12 inches is 1 foot.
Foot.
Yep, 12 inches is 1 foot.
But not this foot.
I have 1 foot walls. How's that sound?
Good.
Good. Let's cut them out.
What is that thing?
This is a level. I'm using it for a straight edge.
Some working. I see.
Now let's stick them together. We're going to use these pieces that I cut with the skill saw for the roof. We're going to use this board for the sides. We're going to make 10-inch walls. And we're going to use a table saw so everything's nice and straight.
Oopsies. The bit, we have this right here, right there, right there, right there, there. A ceiling.
Boo-boo on that one that flung out and hit me. That's okay. Put that on the inside where you can't see it. All right, we got our walls cut out.
You gotta hit these things with a hammer again. Now we need it's got another one for the roof.
Let's finish this one up and let's get started on our fancy one. 5.5 by 7.25. There we go. Watch your ears. Let me show you some. Nope, nothing. All right. Ready?
Side.
Ready? All right. There we go. Now we got to drill a hole in it so the birds can get in there.
Right there. That'll work.
Right there. Well, our battery's dead on our jigsaw, so we're gonna let that charge. And in the meantime, we're gonna start working on our fancy one. All right, let's put this one to the side.
I want to build one all by myself.
Okay. That's what I should have done the first time. Now we gotta cut these straight, however tall that is. 9 1/4. All right. All right.
Oh, we got this one.
Yep, put it up here. Battery's charged. Let's finish cutting the hole out of this one. That's a ragged looking hole. Let's get it sanded down a little bit. Yeah, and it'll be good to go. All right, there it is. There's the first one. It's got a hole. Not the prettiest hole, but it's a hole. Sand it down.
It looks good though.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
I think it looks good. Let's continue on with our other one.
We're gonna have this. We're gonna make it to a chimney. We're gonna make a hole in it. We're gonna cut it off. We're gonna put some fire in it. And we're gonna say, then it's gonna smoke.
Look at that. That's looking good, huh?
We gotta put the ceiling.
We gotta cut the roof out and put it on.
Then put the ceiling.
And the ceiling. This will be the back side where it's tore up. You won't be able to see it. Back side on the bottom. It'll be good. I think the birds will still be happy.
Yeah.
I was ready for it that time. The
Oh,
roof
that's
on
why
first.
it was shooing.
Yeah. Oh, that's where it flung out and hit me, huh?
Yeah.
We'll put that on the bottom.
Like a boomerang.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's like a clock when you wake up, when you don't wake up, and the bird comes out.
Oh, yeah. Look, right there.
What the?
Push. Go. Hold it all the way down. All right. Good. After we get them painted, we'll be back in here, put the shingles on, and we'll hang them. The bird houses are done. This one's my personal favorite right here. Is that awesome or what? There's Woody. And she wrote Rowan on the bottom of it, like the bottom of his boot. That's cool. I don't really want to put these outside.
I want to put them on the tree, Daddy.
I know. Put a comment down there.
Do you think they will fall?
No, I don't think they'll fall. Put a comment down there and tell me if what kind of protectant I can put on this, so I can put it outside without ruining the paint jobs. This old wood sitting in Papa's garage. Turn it into this. There's a sneak peek to the next project right there. What do they need to do in order to see the next one?
Like
And
subscribe. Right here.
what beach do you think that is?
Pensacola. That's it for the birdhouse project. Subscribe to see our next project. See you on the next one.
If you like that video and have a passion for new adventures in the outdoors like Rowan and I do, check out our Watermelon Patch Adventure YouTube channel. Hit subscribe and turn on all notifications. Also, we love feedback. Leave a comment with a suggestion for our next adventure. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next one.